Hello, this is Benjamin with ARI, and the point of this video will be to instruct you on how to add a photo gallery to your CMS editor for your responsive website. We'll start by going down to Structured Content, and from that submenu selecting Galleries. Once we enter into Gallery, we can see the two that I've preset here. For getting these groups of photos, or each gallery of photos, you would start by hitting New Gallery. Let's go ahead and take a look at the formatting. So in Details, first you'll want to give this gallery a name. Great examples I've seen of this in the past is Happy Customers and Their Rides. Giving a picture of each customer that had a custom work done, or possibly built from scratch boats, power sports vehicles, cars that they've had made, and titling it such. Another thing that I've seen people do is do a full walkthrough of their business from front to back, taking a picture in each room and calling it interactive walkthrough. Many things you can use the tool for. Owner? Well, if you have multiple domains pointing to the same address, you'll want to select All Sites. If you only have one domain through us, you'll simply select the name of that domain from this owner's list. Group Description. This will be a description of all the photos that are in this one particular gallery. So if you did call it Customers and Their Happy Rides, you could put these are a few of our most recent customers pictured next to their completed custom cars, boats, ATVs, motorcycles, snowmobiles. The list goes on. Then when you actually want to start adding images, you'll hit plus images. That'll pop up your typical file browser you've used before and allow you to add in a new image. Once you get the image added in, it'll give you can put a title of that image and a separate description of that particular image in here. So if there are finite details, like we added a custom air intake and exhaust to this snowmobile as well as a twin scroll supercharger, you could put that in there. Details such as this. And down below it shows you a thumbnail preview of the image, so you know exactly what it will look like on the site. Just as further illustration of what it will look like on your site, after you save changes, go up to your name in the upper right hand corner, and publish, this is what it will look like over on your site. So we have the main gallery. Of the galleries up here, it gives you the two separate galleries that we'd have. Here it would show a preview of the first image that you have in the gallery. You'll then click on that image and it'll give you an interactive space in which your customers can simply click right or left to go through the photos, and you can see a miniaturization of the description you put in right down here. We'll jump back to our CMS editor. This has been adding galleries to your CMS editor for your responsive website. Thank you.